there for a while. Now he's averaging 35. That's Rohit Sharma again. But Shikhar Dhawan is having a pretty good time of it at the top of the order too. And then they're left and right handed.
Just puts the bowlers off a little bit more. You ask an extra question because every time in the rotating strike as well, you have to keep adjusting those lines and lengths. Ashrafi Mortaza, been plagued with injury and has lost a bit of pace as time's gone by. But he is a very good start.
He's looking lean and that's also a plus. He lost a bit of weight as well. 165, which is the most experienced pacer in the Bangladeshi side. He's got one slip in place. He's got another catching and extra cover. Wide leg is on the boundary, slightly wider, squarer. Third man is back. Here we go. Rohit Sharma in strike. Oh, it's hit for the first one. But while he's kept that out, he's not going to think about it. It was nicely played in the air. That ball kept low. First delivery. Let's have a look. It's right in the middle. Nicely played in the end. Now, at least Rohit Sharma realizes he's got to be on the front foot every ball. He can't afford to be on the back foot on this wicket.